This post right here from Phoenix Racing Honda is kind of funny because it is showing that Jason Lawrence, or J-Lob, if you want to go with that term, is coming back to racing. And this is going to be kind of a blast from the past because a lot of people who are into racing now or into supercross and motocross now are going to have no idea who Jason Lawrence is. This is going all the way back to when like Ryan Villapoto, so like 2007, 2005, 6, 7, like the mid 2000s. He was one of the, I don't know, you want to like up and coming or most talented or whatever 250 riders, like the up and coming group. And then he just fell off the face of the planet. Typical money, got in trouble, lost sponsors, lost rides, and then nothing. I mean, there's been a bunch of these for years of him being like, I think it was last year in 22, there was some news report that he was coming out of retirement and going to race on a 450 gas. And now this one right there from Phoenix Honda is that he's supposedly, if this happens or not, is going to be racing the 12th round of the GNCC, so the Ironman CC. And I think he's like 36 years old now, so like in racing terms, he's ancient. And who knows? I mean, I don't know if you look at his Instagram, he doesn't look like he's posted anything riding related in a long time. So who knows if he's in shape or, I mean, GNCC is no joke. Like outdoors, sort of, I don't want to say hard enduro, that's not the right thing, but like, hard racing in the woods, single track, intense kind of stuff. And I don't know, this is kind of one of those things that like, why now and how is he going to do? I couldn't tell you, but in the comments below, I want you to tell me, are you old enough or have you been following racing enough, long enough to know who Jason Lawrence is? 1. 2, is he a completely new name for you? 3, how well do you think he's going to do? And I guess 4, does this bring any interest to GNCC for you? Because I know it's, motocross and supercross are obviously the main two. GNC is a very different thing. I think it's cool, but I don't think it's televised anywhere. If I'm wrong, something, maybe correct me in the comments below. But whatever it is, comment down below if you know him, interested in this. This is just kind of like whatever, good for him and moving on. But whatever, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.